So last night was Halloween. Today's episode of Smoke Break is all about that. So last night we had 140 kids come by our front door looking for treats. No problem. We were prepared for probably upwards of 300 kids. So, I was kind of hoping for a little more, but it is what it is. I was happy with what we had. We saw kids ranging from 2 years old all the way up to, I don't even know, 18, 19, 20 years old. And you know what? I gave candy to everybody. And there's one main reason for that, is that Halloween is meant for fun. It's to bring out that spirit, that kid's joy of, running around dressed up with their friends and getting candy and enjoying life. I really hate when people say that, kids should stop trick-or-treating at a certain age. I can't fathom the idea. It doesn't make sense to me. Why would you stop that? Why do you want people to stop being kids, enjoying life, having fun? A kid comes to my house, they're getting candy. That's it. I don't care if all they have on is a mask or if they are fully dressed up. You want to put in the work, you want to go walking around town, yelling trick or treat, come by my house. Safe space. You will get candy. Plain and simple. There's no age limit on being a kid. Just like there's no age limit on Halloween. There's worse things that teenagers could be doing. So why deny them their childhood? Let them be kids. Let them have fun. Let them go and get candy and, enjoy life. It doesn't, I don't understand. If somebody wants to dress up and come to my house, they're getting candy. Plain and simple. What are your thoughts on Halloween? Is there an age limit? Would you stop giving candy to somebody just because of their height, size, age? I want to know. What's your thoughts?